¿Qué pasa, mi gente? What is up, guys? I'm here with my new toy. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Look at this, baby. I'm here in Westgate. Let's go up, 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 up. Let's see how high it goes. Oh my God, it goes really high. That's amazing. Holy smokes. Let's go. Se perdió, we lost the signal. We lost the signal. What the heck? Yep, definitely we lost the signal. Okay. Right on. Let's see. There is the Cardinal Stadium, baby. Yeah. This is always Westgate, baby. Always Westgate. Look at this. Right on, battery is gone. That's why I came back by itself. But what it is, guys, this is my new toy right here. I'm loving it. It's just amazing. As you guys can tell, it's not steady. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But it's good. It's good, it's good, it's good. So anyways, how you guys doing today? I am just chilling here, almost getting ready to go to work, and let's do it. I was like, well, why not enjoy my toy and learn it how to fly? And I thought it was gonna be, I don't know, hard, but it's actually not. It's really simple. It's easier than I thought. I bought a couple of drones, like those mini drones before, and they were just like long gone. Shut off me. Yeah, the battery just went dead. Alright, anyways, let me put the camera towards me. So like I was saying, guys, I mean, I just got this new toy. I love it. It's good. It's amazing. And it's really, really good. Let me get my... one video from here. Let's just watch. Alright, anyways, so I'm here in Westgate and I was trying my new toy and it's amazing. I love it. I love it. Guys, I see you guys later. I just wanted to show you the beautiful view from my new toy, the Cardinal Stadium, and it's good. It's good. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. This is my first video in 2021. This year for you guys is gonna be greater. Remember that. So I see you. Stay tuned and peace. Remember, keep dreaming. Dreams comes true. For reals. Peace.